subscribe, comment, share our videos. So this is the continuation of videos about drainage. In case of any questions so far, you can always write back to us. You will get a quick response. Question 4 says, specifically we are going to look at the principles. We are going to look at the principles that govern the installation of the drainage system in the house. So what principles govern the installation of drainage system in the house? Aims to maintain healthy conditions in the building, dispose of waste as early and quick as possible, to avoid the entry of foul gases from the sewer or the septic tank, facilitate quick removal of the foul water, collect and remove wastewater materials systematically. Next, the principles now. Here are the principles. Sewer should be laid by the side of the building rather than below the building. So instead of laying your sewer line below and underneath the foundation, it should be laid by the sides of the building. Like as you've seen in our illustration here. You know, as you've seen, our aims, our principles are targeting these aims to ensure that we achieve these aims. So that is our principle number 1. Principle number 2, all the drain should be connected to the public sewer only when the public sewer is deeper than the house drain, in order to avoid the reverse flow from the public sewer to the drain house. That is another principle. So principle number 2, when we look at the illustration, it easily describes or explains that point seen on the screen. All drains should be connected to the public sewer only when the public sewer is deeper than the house drain, meaning the public sewer should be at a lower point than the house drain, meaning the house drain should be sloping. This will help you to avoid the reverse flow from the public sewer to the house drain. Assuming this was like this, was in the reverse direction, meaning waste, there will be a possibility of waste flowing back then towards the house drain instead of the public sewer line. Next, we have house drain should contain enough traps at suitable points to its efficient function. So these are types of traps which we are having here. I think it was also in the which is also answering the other previous question in the previous video. But when you look at this illustration here, house drain should contain enough traps at the suitable points for its efficient functioning. Meaning, when you look at our subsequent video for the first question, which was presented, you'll find that the connection on our drainage plan all the sink and the bathtubs are connected directly to the floor trap, which is then connected to the garret trap, which garret trap is connected to the manhole. Then the solid waste that is from the toilet to be connected directly to the manhole, since it has this type of garret trap. An S-type. Then a floor trap, garret trap, then the manhole. These are the different types of traps: intercepting trap, the UPVC garret trap, the garret trap, the garret trap, PVC, the bottle trap, and then the floor trap. So there should contain enough traps at suitable points for its efficient functioning. That's another principle. The joints of the sewer should be properly tested before putting the drain line to use. So after you have done your connection, you must test your connection. What we call air tester, or air test, or water test. You can use a manometer, or we can test by putting water there. For example, after connecting the canal, you can pour water to see whether they obtain the used slope. You see? Water is able to flow like that. When it rains, water can flow up to the downspout. So for every sewer, it should be properly tested before putting drain lines used. So before, you have to carry out an air test or water test. You can study about those tests and find the links in our description. Next principle, we have lateral sewer laid at proper gradients so that they can develop self-cleansing velocity. Lateral sewers should be laid the proper gradient. You can look at our illustration. We have a lateral sewer here, have a property line. So it is laid at proper gradient so that they cannot develop self-cleansing velocity up to about this flow. You can see the manifolds, have the soap, the side wall. That illustration is enough to bring out or explain that point. Then another principle, the size of the drain should be sufficient prevent the overflow at the time of maximum draining. So the size of the drain is sufficient enough. So ensure that the drain used is the size of the drain used is sufficient to prevent the overflow, as you can see in our diagram. Next, materials and fittings used in drainage system should be had strong resistance to erosion actions, so they should be non-absorbent type. So these are our materials that are used for materials and fittings that are used for drainage system. All drains should be aligned straight between successive inspection chambers. That was our question number 4. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share our videos. In case of any question, please always write to us we are going to give you a quick response. In case of may like, may suggest any other information missed out, may suggest any other discussion you want us to, any other video you want, any other discussion, any other topic you want us to discuss about. Feel free, comment, we shall respond all of them. Thank you.